Today we are going to see a problem called two sum. That is, the program should return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. You see, for example, let's take an array of a is equal to 2, 11, 5, 15. Let's take target as 7. The target 7 can be achieved, that is the sum of 5 and 2, that is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, right? Then the output will be the indices of the numbers 2 and 5, that is a of 0 plus a of 2, that is 5, that gives us 7. We are going to implement this using hash. Hash is a consist of key value pairs. You can consider key and value this side. In Python, we are going to implement hash using dictionary. That is, in Python, dictionary consists of key value pairs. What we are going to do is, we are going to take each element in the list and we are going to subtract it with the target, and we are going to check whether the resultant of the subtraction is present in the dictionary or not. If it is present in the dictionary, we are going to return the index of the current element in the iteration and the element which is present in the dictionary, that is the index of the element present in the dictionary. That's it. Now we are going to minus 7 target minus the first element, current element in the list is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. If the element 5 is present in the dictionary, no. So we are going to add or append the element of 2 and its corresponding index as value. We are going to here use key elements as their elements and their corresponding values as their indexes. So next element 7 minus 11 is equal to minus 4, which is not present in the dictionary. So we are going to add or append the element which is 11 and its corresponding index as its value in the dictionary. Each iteration we are going to check whether the resultant element in of the subtraction is present in the dictionary or not. If is 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Yes, we are going to check whether the value is 2 is present in the dictionary or not. Yes, it is present. So we are going to return the value indices of the elements 2 and 5. That is, index of the element 5 is 2, and you can see in the dictionary that is the index of the element 2 is 0. So we are going to return 0 comma 2. That's it. We are going to implement this as I have explained in the before slide. So let us declare an array a is equal to 2 comma 11 comma 5 comma 15. Next, let us define a function to return the corresponding indices of the numbers. Let's define a function. Defining the function, let's comment it for a purpose there. Let's assign an identifier as solve for the name of the function. Let's declare the parameters, that is the array and the target number. Next, we are going to create a hash, empty hash. That is, in Python, that is a dictionary I have told already. That is declared using curly braces. Let's keep the identifier name as hash for our purpose. Next, we are going to traverse over the array elements. So we are going to use a loop, for loop, for I in range of length of the numbers. Next we are going to check if the target minus the current element in the array is in the hash or not. If it is present in the hash, we are going to return the corresponding indices, as I have told already, that is the values are the corresponding indices in the hash. So we are going to return the corresponding indices of the two numbers. Else, if it is not present in the list, we are going to add the elements to the hash. That is what it is performed in the else block. That's it. But don't forget to call the function. Unless you call the function, nothing will be performed. Thank you.